Good morning, beautiful people. So guys, a
tight embrace.
I be so sick of you niggas, y'all contradicting. I be so bold myself when you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, except when you around me. Treat me like corduroy, you wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about you.
Or welcome back to this channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. So guys, I lost the footage where I was cleaning the fridge and arranging it, so I decided to just give you a glimpse of what I did. So I just have a few things arranged here and here. I actually got an extra organizer for my sauces, as you can see. So we have eggs there, leftover food. I'm yet to go grocery shopping, and yeah, that's just it. Guys, remember to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment. I love the interaction so far. This is where I put the extra food stuff and some other few things. Then this is the bathroom. So this is how I've arranged it. I'm yet to get the organizers that I told you I should get, or even maybe get the poster that I'm supposed to put on the frame. Later in the afternoon, I was supposed to attend a friend's wedding. I think I mentioned that on the previous vlog, so I lost the footage where I was getting ready to just show you my outfit and things like that. But now we are on the way, and I will definitely show you what I'll be wearing, what I wore to the wedding. Yeah, it was a really beautiful ceremony. I enjoyed myself there. So guys, as you can see, this place has great views. Yeah, so hope you enjoy this one.
Out in the rim, I know now. Put down forehead, they say I'm selfish. Out in the rim once more now. Wash out my way, my feelings dirty. I'm just craving for somebody's babe, oh no. I can't get that love for myself. Say everybody's fine, but they can't be, yeah. Even if they wanted to do, even if they try as they envy you, but you belong to someone, and I'm singing. I'm just craving for somebody's babe, oh no, no. I can't get that love for myself. Only, only. Now my tears come to yours, but don't forget. Yeah, only. Hey, you're a girl. Got the right impression, maybe I'm impressed. Oh, the feeling shook you one day, so forget. But you got a man and I can't remember. Before the camera catch me for forget. Got the better for play. Something like go sweet in my birthday. If later you call me, or no later than 6:30. My girl won't like this, yeah. Make group chat, they talking my gist. Come try this, so bless romantic. But deep down, we should not be doing this. Can't talk party, oh. I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair, yeah, something.
Captain. Mic check, check.
Makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space.
The Captain, say hi for the YouTube. For the YouTube family. Njoki hapa na enjoy nasikia vizuri.
Baby, I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my body. My body says my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My body says
If it's a question of my heart, you got it. It don't belong to anyone but you. Yeah, if it's a question of my love, you got it. Baby, don't worry, I got it.
Oh, you look good.
Plans for you. Yeah, baby, I've been making plans. Oh, Lord.
Hi guys, hi. I'm back home. Had a pretty good afternoon. Like, it was really nice. I really enjoyed myself. I want to get this I want to get rid of this wig, and also I'm exhausted. Uzuri sipiti. So before I like ni undress, let me just before I change, let me just show you a few things that I got from town. I'll be going to pin the details and the prices of the things that I got, of course, for you guys. And nitawekea number pale kwa the bio of this video, or is it called the description box? Yeah. And also so I got a few sunglasses. Chatuoni naka mwalimu nani oh my god, yeah. So got this. So I bought this actually at 150 each. Yeah. So anyway, I was just spoiling myself. Alafu pia nilikuwa nimesema like nitanini tu he says sijui kama niza vaa ama siwezi vaa, but anyway I'll just gift. If you know me, yeah, you can get one. Yeah. So nilikuwa nimechukua tu like nilikuwa nimeona ni affordable, so I picked some for my friends and also for myself. Yeah. Aki wase naongea kama sina psych. I'm exhausted na nimeona let me just unbox this before I start using them. Alafu ama zenye napeana nipeane before I start using them. Inafanya nakaa kama msanii. Oh my god. Anyway, but it's cute. Yeah. So yeah, there is that. Is there another one? Because I took 4. Tumevaa tatu, I think. Oh, here is the last one. Dramatic. Drama. Drum rolls. Drama. Yeah, but it's bigger. I really had a great time at She's wedding. It was so great. I'm really happy for her. Yeah. And we pray for the same thing. Yeah. So I got these. Actually, this is very cute. Everyone, I love the fact that you can this Gucci whatever, and it feels like it's. But easy vitu nakwanga was mpya, but it's so nice. So I got this. So yeah, Staiva. So I got it in black and also pink, and I have a white one. So magic, so cute. Another thing I got was got this. This is a nilikuwa nimefikiria kuivaa leo, but I got these things yesterday. Ama ni juzi, yeah, but nilikuwa nimefikiria kuivaa leo, but nitakuwa like it won't go with my outfit because none of my outfit is red, mauve red, so this needs maybe a black, bluish, whatever outfit. And then I got far. So far, like it's really cute when you're just maybe kama sasa hivi nimevaa a wig and I need maybe to do my face, you know, like it's so cute. And it comes in so many colors, but I went for nude one because already here niko na black, so I couldn't take black and white. Already have a pink one and a white one, so niko na let me just go for a nude one. Mimi naona it was so cute, yeah. Better this were going for 100 shillings each, yeah. So cute, right? Yeah. And lastly, the star of the show. So this is a beach hat, but sasa shida ni venye nimeshika wigi yangu hapa. I have like a clip hapa nyuma, so but you get the gist. This was at 450. It's very pretty. Like na imagine tu kama my head is bare, you know, ukienda kwa beach ama kwa swimo, just really nice. Yeah? So we are manifesting a trip to Mombasa. Yeah, so those are the only things that I got. Again, let me just get rid of this wig sahi. Nishachoka. Yeah, nishachoka. But I've had a really good time, yeah. It's been a minute. Actually, mwaka yote sijaenda wedding. This was my first wedding to attend. My first wedding to attend this year, which was super nice. Like uko watu walikuwa tu vibes. It was a really, really beautiful ceremony. I really enjoyed myself. So guys, I touched to a week, and then I warm food, and then we eat and call it a night, yeah. So acha nichukue vitu za kutoa wig tutoe pamoja. So guys, when it comes to wig removals, these are my lifesavers. So one ni makeup removal, this wig removal, is it, I don't know, sio kama ni nini tuite, but ni remover too, and then cotton pads, yeah. So let's do this. So Pichu, of course, nimeingia sahi, so amekuwa peke yake for a minute sahi, for a few minutes, not a few minutes but a few hours. So of course she's ako excited to see me. So sahi anajaribu tu kunifikia, alafu kwanza sasa hivi anaona nimeshikashika vitu, yeah, anaona tu kila kitu ni kuweka kwa menu, especially sahi she's teething. Let me tell you, viatu zangu zenye amekula tu huko kwa hii nyumba. So yeah, at this point I don't leave, when I'm leaving her alone, I don't leave anything lying around. Lazima tu nizieke vizuri away. Must put everything away before leaving, like that's priority. Because kama sasa slippers zangu za bafu alishakula, amekata. Nipo I'll just show you venye zinakaa tu masaka. Ni nini Peach? Why are you jumping huku? Tulia. Oh my god. Pichu, no mama. Oh my god. Aki, she's playing with this nini ring light. Pichu, go. Okay, sianze hizo tabia za asubuhi. Sorry mama. No, I don't want your jokes. Anyway, so So I usually just let it rest for a few. I hope hiyo kitu ita won't react to my face, the whatever that imenimwagikia. But anyway, I will just makeup remove my face hata kama sina makeup, you understand? To just it's like misela water inasaidia kutoa hizo vitu zote. Inaniachia na fresh and clean skin. Easy product sometimes. Oh my god. Tatu niweke misela water. I don't have the zingine, by the way, honestly, me feel like remover doesn't work as well as micellar water. Micellar water utoa hiki kitu mbio. Honestly. Like sahi, oh my god. Oh my god. Imeshika hii ya leo. Mungu wangu. Tabiri nimekuwa patient. Nipatia a few minutes. You rest. Because by the, like, usually, because I learned to apply to glue. Usually, niki apply glue works like magic. Like, haisumbuangi kutoka. So I think it needed a few minutes. But yeah, no. So ukitoa hivyo, it's really easy to remove. So unapaka tu, and then it doesn't like go off with your hair. That's a good thing about using Go2B. Tosa hii langu, it's not the best, but umeona like how it works faster. Unaona manye like it's not badly off. Let me just now remove it, then clean my scalp. Nice. Wow. Bela kitambo, let me just give you a small story. Kitambo sikuwa naweza kukaa na wig like the whole day venye nakaa nayo sahi. Sikuwa hata si imagine ati mimi sometimes naweza amka like I put on a wig and nishinde tu for the whole day. Like I can't imagine, you know. Anyway, but people grow. So mimi nasema mimi grow. My head now is able to tolerate a wig the whole day. Yeah, things change anga. We change anga. So actually, this is it foundation manually. Oh, I used contour to tint my lace. So the contour I used, because I don't have like a foundation. Neither do I have powder. That is my shade. So the only contour I have a contour palette that ikona hiyo whatever. So ndio natumia sahi the contour palette. My god. Like like it's clean. I just love this. Honestly love this. So let's do one more swipe. One more wipe. And then we call it a night. So nikijitoa hivi na hii makeup removal, feel like nimetoa all the dirt that nime consume all through the day. And my skin inalala ikiwa clean. You na sneeze. Pichu, are you sneezing? Have you ever looked at your like something and then you're like, so kama sasa inafikiria naangalia Pichu, like she looks more This will sound funny, but she looks more like a wolf. Like when she's growing and then masikio zake zinakaa tu hivi. Stand like tall. When you wolf kwa movies zinakaanga. I've never seen a wolf, but this is a movie when it's zinakaanga. So, my face is clean now. Yeah. So guys, I feel like this will be the end of this vlog. I didn't want to make it too long, you know. So sorry for that. Pichu, stop. So I think this will be the end of this vlog. I really appreciate you guys. I really honestly, I don't know if I say this enough, but I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for the support, for the love, for always just stopping by and taking your time to just watch my videos. I hope it's entertaining. This girl today, anyway, I hope it's entertaining. I hope it's everything that you would love to see. Yeah, you know. So guys, let me just let me just finish up getting, like, I think I'm going to take a shower now. Like after tonight, that will be the end of this vlog, so I'll just close it on tonight. Then from kesho I'll start on a new vlog. I just wanted to say I'm really grateful for the support, for taking your time each and every time, like every day to, not every day, but whenever I post, for taking your time to watch. And yeah, so make sure that you comment, leave a comment, really helps. Like this video, it really helps. Just confirm if you have subscribed. If you haven't, please do so. Yeah, road to 1K, you know. Yeah, so yeah, so that's the only thing I can say, guys. So thank you so much. I love you guys so much. Make sure that you take care of yourselves. Remember to pray, eat healthy, drink so much water, like I insist. Maji ni muhimu sana. Prayers muhimu tena sana. So make sure you pray and drink a lot of water. So guys, cheers and see you on the next one.
Baby, I've been making plans for you. Yeah, baby, I've been making plans. Oh Lord, baby, I've been making plans for you.